Hello friends, today I'm trying to show you how to make product images web ready for upload. This is my client work and he is asking for a solid white background with a square canvas and a shadow, soft natural shadow underneath the product. For doing this, first of all we need to cut out the product from the background or isolate the product. In that case, we can use several techniques, but clipping path or pen tool clipping path is the best tool that can bring the best result. So I'm doing the clipping path for the product accurately. Once we're done with the clipping, we have to make a selection. Please check the magnifier area. First of all, click the path 1 and click the selection in the bottom. That will make a selection from the path. Now click Ctrl Z from the background layer. That will make a copy of the selection. After that, click the background layer and create a new layer. We can use a solid color layer. Set it 100% white. Look, now the background is white. My first requirement is done. After that, if the client wants the shadow, how you can make it? The natural shadow is very long. We don't need that much. We need the soft natural shadow just underneath the bottle. So we make a rough path and make the selection in the same way and copy it from the background layer. Just click the background layer. Oh, we have to apply a feather for the selection. Now copy it from the background layer and bring it in front of the white background layer. Look, now it's almost done. We can also erase some of the shadows from the right side of the bottle. Just make the brush size smaller or larger as you want. Select the eraser tool and erase some unnecessary parts, and we are done. Then just click the crop tool and make the height and width 1000 pixels with 300 resolution and double click on the canvas. After that, export the images and save for web. Select JPEG, quality 100%. That will make the quality 100%, and at the same time the size decrease to only 155 kilobyte. That's pretty light for web upload and it's perfect. Hope you understand the entire process, but if still is not clear, please comment or send me a mail. I'll reply as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Your feedback is appreciated. Thank you.